Welcome. The discussion of today is about quotation in HTML. Basically, quotations are used for important purpose in HTML, so today I am going to show you the quotation tags and their function. So first of all, as you can see here are the tags and their function. So on No 1 there is a BBR used for abbreviation. No 2 there is address tells about the info of the document. No 3 BDO defines the text direction. Blockquote is on No 4 used for quotation, then the site which defines the title of work. On No 6 there is Q define short inline quotation. Firstly we discuss a BBR tag. Here you can see this is the tag or its function. So if we perform it practically after going to Visual Studio Code, like I am editing heading 4, so I will add a BBR tag here before or after the text. And giving the title personal books. So after saving, if we refresh the web page, the change we got here is this. We got the text abbreviation. Moving to No 2 is address. This tag is used to show your text in address form. This can change the text in italic form. As you can see on screen, we practically apply this use address syntax before or after the text, or save it and refresh our web page. The change we can see here is in heading 4. Now we change this heading 4 in address or save it again. So now you can see clearly the change. Are mostly address are written in this style or format. Now let's talk about the BDO tag, which is used to write the text from left to right or right to left. Shortcut used for this is LTR and RTL. So if we use this practically, you can see there is heading. Firstly, we add syntax of BDO inside that we will give the direction to the text. If we will give LTR, it will remain in same condition because it's already from left to right, but if we give it the direction of RTL or after saving, refresh the page, that change we get you can see here. So what's the site tag? Basically, it is used to highlight the text or show the text differ from other as showing on your screen. If we show you all this practically, so as I am adding site syntax before or after the paragraph or save this and refresh the web page. So here you can see the text of this paragraph is differ from other. Now finally, I will tell you about the quotation sign. Q is used for inline quotation, or block quotation defines that this is quoted from another source. I am using both of these practically. As here you can see, first of all, I am writing the syntax of quotation before or after the text, or saving it. So this is the change it creates. Now if we want to add block quote, we will replace the syntax or save it. Now refresh it or see the change.